Hello students, good morning to all of you. I am Bablu Kumar, teaching in Jesus and Mary Academy. Today we are going to discuss about numbers. This session of video is especially for class 3. So let us start to discuss about number. In the previous classes we have already learned to write numbers by using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these are digits, and we can write numbers by using these digits. 0 is the smallest and 9 is the largest digit. So from 0 to 9 is one digit number. From 10 to 99 is 100. From 10 to 99 are two digit numbers. From 100 to 999 is three digit numbers, and from 1000 to 9999 all these numbers are four digit numbers. So first we know the smallest and largest number of one digit number. So the smallest number of one digit number is 0, while the greatest number of one digit is 9. In the same way, the smallest two digit number is 10, while the largest two digit number is 99. The smallest three digit number is 100, while the largest three digit number is 999. In the same way, you will increase 10 while writing the smallest number of the following digits number. Now, number pattern. When numbers are arranged as per a certain rule or in a particular way, we get a pattern. For example, here 480, 490, 500, 510, 520, 530. There is difference between the two numbers is 10. 10, 10, 10. So you just add 10. If you add 10 to 480, you get 490. Again you add 10 with 490, you get 500. Again you add 10 to the number 500, you get 510, so on. Now we are going to solve exercise 1A. Write which is the smallest two digit number. As we know that 10 is the smallest two digit number, while 99 is the largest two digit number. In the same way, 100 is the smallest three digit number, while 999 is the largest three digit number. Second number. Write the place value of 2, 9, 5 in each of the given number. Here the number is 295. So the place value of 5 in the number, as we know that 5 is at 1 place, 9 is at 10 place and 2 is at 100 place. So the place value of 5 is equal to 5 into 1 is equal to 5. In the same way, the place value of 9 is equal to 9 into 10, 90. The place value of 2 is equal to 2 into 100 is equal to 200. The question number B, the number is 952. The place value of 2 is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Because 2 is at one place, so you will multiply this digit by 1. 5 into 10 is equal to 50, and 9 into 100 is equal to 900. In this way, you can get place value of the certain digits of a number. Arrange the following numbers in descending and ascending order. The numbers are 309, 718, 109, 431, 919, 201, 615. So, in order to write numbers in descending order, first we start from the largest number of the given group of numbers. So 919 is the largest number of the given group of number. So we have to write first 919, then after 718, then after 615, then 431, then 309, 201, and at last we write 109. In the same way, in order to write the numbers in ascending order, we have write first the smallest number of the given group of numbers. So 109 is smaller than 309, is smaller than 431, is smaller than 615, is smaller than 718, and the largest number of the number of groups is 919, which should be written at the last. Write the standard form and word form of the following numbers. So 7 tens, 5 ones. So here, what is the standard form of the number? First we try to understand, and then after we also write the number form. We also write the numbers in word form. So 7 tens and 5 ones. So 7 into 10 plus 5 into 1 is equal to 70 plus 5 is equal to 75. And this number should be written as in word form 75. In the same way, 300 7 tens, 1 ones. 3 into 1000 . plus 7 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 3070 plus 1 is equal to 3071. Inverts this number is written as 3071. The next one, write the successor and precedere of. Predecessor means one more than the given number. Sorry, precedere means one less than the given number. Suppose that there are two numbers, 252 and 364. So predecessor means one less than the given number, and successor means one more than the given number. So the precedere of 252 is 251, and the successor of 252 is 253. In the same way, precedere of 364 is 363, and successor of the given number 364 is 365. From the smallest and largest number using the digits, we have to form the smallest and the largest numbers using the given digits. We have to form the smallest and the largest number using the given digits here. So when we use 382, we can make largest number as 832 and smallest number after using this digit is 238. In the same way, we can make a smallest number using 557 and the largest number using these digits 754. I hope you have got understood how to solve this type of questions which are given in your exercise. So there is homework. You have to complete exercise 1A in your notebook. Thank you for watching. Write your homework. Complete exercise 1A in your notebook. You can also take help of this video to solve questions of your exercise. Thank you for watching.